to me, there's just no replacement to be able to, be with somebody physically in their presence and hug their neck and hear their stories and just the energy that's created in the circle, when we're all together. There's just no replacement for that. I mean, it's magical.
I totally agree with Lorelei that there's nothing like being in in the physical presence of others, especially, special others, sisters, and, the community, you're communing with each other. And, it takes it to a different level.
Both Lorelei and Margaret did such a great job describing it, but there's also what I feel is, the personal gift that you're giving to yourself by moving yourself into a place that is unknown and then really kind of taking it all in. It is just such a gift that you're giving to yourself. In our lives, we don't take really the time to just stop our world and sit with our own self. And it's such a beautiful experience. It's unbelievable to be with these group of women and this love and positivity. And, this is all just for you.
I reiterate what everybody says. There's nothing like being in community together. The hot springs, like being there in that place, it is such a spiritual place, but the waters are so healing and wonderful. And I can't say enough about Julia. She is the most incredible chef I have ever encountered in my life. And she's just this beautiful little nymph of a spirit. She's a great energy for our group.